Tim was a curious little boy who loved to explore the world around him. One day, while playing in the forest, he stumbled upon a strange animal. It had a long neck, stripes like a zebra, and a heart-shaped nose. "What a peculiar creature!" Tim exclaimed. He approached the animal cautiously, not wanting to scare it away. He noticed that the animal was injured and in need of help. Tim's heart went out to the creature, and he knew he had to help. "Hello there, friendly friend," Tim said gently. "I'm Tim, and I'd like to help you." The Okapi looked up and seemed to understand what he was saying. Tim gathered some food and bandaged the Okapi's injury. The Okapi seemed grateful for Tim's help and followed him back to his home. Tim's parents were surprised to see the strange animal, but they welcomed it with open arms. They named the Okapi Ollie, and Tim took care of him as if he were his own pet. Ollie became a beloved member of the family, and Tim learned a lot about the rare animal. One day, Tim's parents received a call from the local zoo. They were looking for a rare Okapi that had escaped from their enclosure. Tim and his family were surprised, as they had no idea that Okapis lived in zoos. They decided to take Ollie to the zoo, so he could live with other Okapis. Tim was sad to say goodbye, but he knew it was the right thing to do. Ollie was reunited with his kind, and Tim was able to visit him whenever he wanted. Tim learned a valuable lesson that day: helping others can make a big difference in their lives. He continued to explore the world around him, always on the lookout for new adventures and new friends. And Ollie, the Okapi, lived happily ever after in the zoo, surrounded by his own kind. The end.